Well, I reviewed a Zipper wallet recently that's getting a few views. It seems more of you carry coins than I thought, so here's another. This time I have the Polaris Oldtimer Slim wallet. Polaris is just an old Polish word for wallet, which is where these are made. The wallet was sent by the factory. They've been making leather goods since the 1930s. I didn't pay for the wallet, I asked them to send it for a review. Check out its tininess first, just 10.5 centimeters by 7 centimeters, and super slim. For years, there has consistently been a high demand for the online search term slim wallet. So why are so many people looking for a slim wallet? Probably because we're low on pocket space with our giant sized phones and so-called keyless cars that come with a key nearly as big as our phones. Plus, we pay for stuff with our devices nowadays, so we don't need to carry as much in our wallets. It has 3 big USPs. The first I already mentioned, they're handmade in Europe. Second is the materials. This is vintage saddle leather. It's super soft, smells yummy, and has a natural rustic aesthetic. It's very pliable. I can kind of push and shape it. It's vegetable tanned and treated with penetrating hot wax, making it water repellent while retaining this elasticity, which allows the wallet to stretch and accommodate your valuables. The leather is heated in presses to create an aged and patina effect from new, and will develop over time to become even more supple, durable and rich in character. You can also get nomad leather and Italian leather variants. But what's crazy is its price. For me, it's its third USP. The Polaris Oldtimer, I imagine, would retail for twice as much if it had a brand name that's more aggressively marketed. Also, I got you a 10% discount code that I placed next to my affiliate link in the video description. If you use the code or link to buy something, I can earn a small fee at no extra cost to you. What's inside? A nice rough cut reverse to the leather, and basically just a large opening central cavity. There's a pocket here for coins. I prefer to put the coins in the larger compartment because they're easier for me to get at. And I don't carry many cards. Space for banknotes or cards here or here. In my test, 8 cards go without stretching the wallet. Of course, you'd put less cards inside if you want room for coins, keys, or anything else that's irregular in shape that you want to carry. Doesn't matter what it is, once it's zipped up, your contents are safe, making it much more versatile than a non-zipper wallet. The zip has a nice smooth action, and there's a very sturdily attached hoop to fix your keys to, AirTag or similar. Included with the wallet is one of Polaris RFID blocking cards. In my tests, you can place 3 or 4 cards either side of the RFID blocking card, and they're completely undetectable from unauthorized scanning by those that might try to steal your data with card skimming devices. If you watched this far and enjoyed the video, please press like for me. Thanks.